So let's start with this really easy question to start this chapter. Okay, so what is a set? Let's say a set here basically is a collection of items. So for example, this one, inside this collection, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Okay, and this collection of items, we call this S. Okay, it's just a name. And there are two subsets of S. Subsets means a smaller sets inside the collection of S. Okay, so we have two smaller sets inside S, and they're called A and B, respectively. And each one of these subsets includes 4 items. All right. So to visualize this, we could actually draw a diagram, what we call a Venn diagram. So here's the set of S. It's called a universal set. Basically, it's more like the world of everything. So the world has 2, 4, we have 6, 8, 10, 14, and we also have 12. Okay, so this is all we have inside the world of S. Okay, and when we draw out the subset of A, it has 2, 6, 10, and 14. So basically this is the subset of A. Likewise, for subset of B, this is 2, 4, 8, and 10. Okay? Now, let's go back to the question. Question A. For part A, it's asking you, what is the intersection of A and B? Okay, so this inverted U-shaped kind of thing is what we call the intersection. So let's see in the diagram which items are the intersection of subset A and B. That is obviously 2 and 10. Okay, so very easy. The answer would just be the set of 2 and 10, right? And we want to put this big bracket here to indicate that it's a set that includes 2 items, 2 and 10. All right. Now for part B, we want to find the union of A and B. Okay, so this symbol means the intersection. Okay, and this symbol means the union. The union means the set that we want everything from set A, and we also want everything from set B. So if you look at the diagram, A has 2, 6, 10, and 14, and B has 2, 4, 10, and 8. So what do? We just write out everything that are included in A or B. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 14. All right. Okay, now for part C. Part C, we want the intersection of A prime and B. Okay, prime means the complement. That means everything that is not in A. So A prime is 4, 8, and 12, right? And if B is 2, 10, 4, and 8, we want the intersection. That is this one, right? So the answer would be 4 and 8. Okay? So likewise, when we talk about part B, it's the union of A and B prime. Okay, so A is 6, 14, 2, and 10. And B prime would be anything that is not inside B. That is 12, 6, and 14. And so the union means we take everything. Okay? So the answer would be 2, 6, 10, 12, and 14. That's all.